On the 21st of August 2013, the Tourism Enterprise Partnership and the Department of Economic Development and Tourism, the KZN, had a launch for the mentorship program at the Tropicana Hotel. The mentorship launch was a resounding success. It was attended by all our key stakeholders as well as 14 of our mentees and 10 of our mentors.
My name is Simon Roscoe. I'm a tourism industry consultant and mentor. I've been associated with the Tourism Mentorship Program since its inception. I have had the pleasure of mentoring 13 different businesses, and I'm happy to say that with only one exception, they have all gained enormously from the mentorship program.
I'm Mr. Mpumelelo Kesha, working for the Department of Economic Development and Tourism in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. So for the past 7 or 8 years or so, we've been working very closely with Tourism Enterprise Partnership in terms of ensuring that emerging businesses are sustainable. We recruit them, and through, of course, following a very strict recruiting process, and then we get mentors, those businesses or business owners who have been in business for some time with experience and expertise, and of course passion to assist others, because what we are doing is to link the mentees with the mentors for a period of 6 months.
You deserve a good round of applause for what you're doing. You're developing someone from nothing to somewhere else. Now I know more about tourism, what it entails, and I'm developing something very big is coming, and it's a secret. I'm telling you, that mentorship program left me with wonderful ideas, and some of them that are just hidden treasures.
From a mentor's point of view, I must say that it gives me enormous satisfaction to see that perhaps I have been able to contribute something to the growth and success of some of the mentees' businesses.
That is the TIP program in a nutshell. Also, in addition, I just like to mention we've just launched or piloting the learnership program. TIP has a learnership program that it's doing via CATSETA, and this is a 12-month program where we're providing assistance to, if you have a staff member that you'd like to send on a formal NQF Level 3 accredited course, then the program is a course in generic management, accredited as I mentioned with CATSETA. You can contact our offices to find out how do you access this free learnership for your staff.
To the left. To the right. Left. To the right. To the left. To the right. To the left. To the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.